Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 XL Just Black, purchased over at T-Mobile for 600 smacks. Now originally I had the clearly white for 900 smacks that I purchased from T-Mobile, and I did the unboxing on October 24, 2019. Had that for a while, then I sold it, but at 600 smacks I just could not pass it up. So here it is once again here on Team My Project 13. Man, am I stoked to share this with all of you. I got some cases here. Got a Uag Monarch Black. You can still pick up this case for $49.95 over at the Uag website. They have Uag cases as well over at Amazon. Got the Poetic Spartan metallic blue. This is a two-piecer. You got a frame right here. You got a kickstand. Very nice, durable, full-body case. And you can also, if you don't want to use this frame right here that doesn't have a built-in screen protector, you do have an option of, well, using one that has a built-in screen protector. It comes in the same box from Poetic, and you're going to pay $19.95 for this guy. A lot of protection here. And here we have the Ringke Fusion X Camo, and this is $12.99 over at Amazon. So yeah, we got $19.95, $12.99, and $49.95. Uag, Poetic, and Ringke. Three incredible cases from three incredible companies to protect your investment. And without further ado, man, I am super stoked to share this with all of you. You know, the thing is, I always keep some cases around because you never know if I'm going to bring a smartphone that I once had back in. Oh, man, look at that. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. In just a moment, we're going to put each of these cases onto my Google Pixel 4 XL and just do a quick overview. If you want to watch the full review on each of these cases, check out the links down below in the description area. I want to give you a quick rundown on the specs. Most of you know what they are, but there may be a few of you that don't. On the rear, we have a 12 megapixel shooter and a 16 megapixel shooter, regular wide and telephoto. The 16 megapixel is your telephoto lens, and we do have the flash right there. At the bottom, we have our mic, USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker right there. The other speaker is going to be up top, doubling up with the earpiece. And on the left-hand side, we have our SIM tray. Up top, we have a mic right there, and again, the other mic right there. Power button is white. Totally digging that. And your volume rocker right there. On the front, you're going to have an 8 megapixel regular wide shooter. And again, there's your speaker with the earpiece, and going to be utilizing Face Unlocked. I already set that up. Anyway, so we have a 6.3 inch AMOLED display, 1440p, 6 gig of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, with the 3700 milliamp battery, and we do have wireless charging. Oh yeah, we have a 90 hertz refresh rate that you can turn on or turn off. So if you go into settings and we go right here, we go to display, advanced settings, and we go down to smooth display, you can see right there, automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 90 hertz for some content. Increases battery usage, so you can just turn that on, off and on. There we go, off, on. Okay, so very simple. Right now it is on, so we have the 90 hertz refresh rate doing what it needs to do, and that's create a really smooth experience, a buttery smooth experience, a velvety smooth experience, and I'm digging that. I don't remember saying 1440p display, but maybe I did. But those are the basic specs, okay? As far as the cameras on the rear, I just wish we had the ultra wide shooter. That would have really completed this phone. From the first time around, performance functionality was phenomenal. I don't see that being any different this time around. The camera is amazing. My media intake, which whether it's utilizing the display to watch movies, videos, the dual speakers, the audio quality, everything great. Battery life was really good. Remember, you have wireless charging, so you can utilize that if you're running down on battery life. Yeah, utilize the options that you have to give you more battery life if you're running out. Okay, learn to work with your smartphone so it can work for you. So now what we're going to do is put the cases on. And again, it's just going to be really quick. And this is the Fusion X Camo. And that looks really, really nice. You can see the depth right there protecting those cameras. And yeah, you got some lip right there, and a little bit of lip right here on the sides. So when you're sitting down like that or like that, on most surfaces, you are going to be fine. Beautiful, beautiful case. Again, please go watch the full video reviews. And this is the UAG. And look at that. Very nice. Got real leather back there. Reinforced designs on all these cases. And I keep hitting. I don't even know how I got to YouTube right there. Anyway, yeah, this is just a good looking case. A lot of protection. Better with than without. Nothing is guaranteed. But these are some great choices from some great companies. And okay, we're going to take that off. And as far as the Poetic, we're going to take out the frame, and we're going to use the frame that's in the box. That is the screen protector. So I'm going to give a quick wipe down on the front. Quick wipe down on the front. Okay. Little wipe down right here on the built-in screen protector. So everything on the front that needs to work as far as the sensors, your face unlock and your camera, all that's going to do what it needs to do. Those cutouts will be precise. The cutouts on all these cases are going to be precise. So you're not going to have any issues whatsoever. And then you work your way up like that. Start at the bottom and bring both of those pieces together. So down below, you got the flap covering up the USB Type-C charging port, which keeps out lint and dust, especially for those of you that work in a rugged environment. Got your speaker area there open, and your mic there, the other mic area right there. And man, yeah, that looks nice. Again, you want to watch the full reviews, hit those links down below in the description area. In just a moment, we're going to test out the touch response with the built-in screen protector, the Poetic Spartan dual layer rugged case. But first, face unlock, double tap, and just like that, double tap, bam, really, really quick. Pull the notification shade down, no problems there. We'll swipe over to the right, and everything working the way it should. You might want to give it a little extra press, but I'm not really doing that, but because every once in a while you are going to have that miss, but for the most part you shouldn't. So everything working great with the built-in screen protector. 3 cases to think about for protecting your brand new Google Pixel 4 XL that I picked up for $600 over at a local T-Mobile. Well, it wasn't so local. I had to drive quite a few miles to get it because nowhere around me, as far as T-Mobile, nobody has it. Online, it's gone over the T-Mobile website. So your best options is to call around and see if any of your local T-Mobile stores have it, or you can go to Best Buy or the Google website, but you're going to pay more. 600 smacks in comparison to 900 first time around. For me, it's a win. There's a reason why I brought this in a second time, because it's definitely worth my money. But you have to decide if it's worth yours. 600 smacks, man, I am totally stoked. All right, everybody. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy.